Customizing alert sounds in TradingView is really about improving workflow. When different alerts demand different levels of attention, the sound setting helps make those notifications easier to manage. The important detail is that TradingView does support sound customization, but only through the built-in options provided in the alert settings. In practical terms, that means you can choose whether an alert plays a sound, select from the available sound choices, and adjust how prominent that alert feels within your overall setup. This is useful when several alerts are active at the same time because it helps separate more routine notifications from those that may need a quicker response. It is also important to understand the limits of that customization. The sound can be changed within the options TradingView provides, but it is not the same as uploading a completely custom audio file. So the platform gives flexibility, but within its own alert sound library rather than through external files. This can still be useful from a workflow point of view. A softer sound may suit lower priority alerts that are only there for awareness, while a more distinct tone can make a higher priority alert easier to notice. That makes the sound setting less about changing the market logic and more about organizing how those alerts fit into your day-to-day chart routine. In practice, alert sound customization in TradingView is a simple way to make notifications more manageable. It helps tailor alerts to your workflow while keeping the actual alert conditions unchanged.